Hello and welcome one and all, and we are here today to do the Toxic Quest full walkthrough, which has us back at the charred path yet again. Now this time you need to walk into this little bluey portal bit, and here you'll see Zognax all locked up, but we have got a few quests to do for him here today. So first of all, come along to join the rift, and you have to defeat some of these ever disgusting and revolting parasites. Once you've done that, you can head back to him and of course turn it in. So next up we have yet another quest that has us moving about a bit. So if we join along to join Skytower and you come to this room here, you'll see 3 different crystals. You defeat each of these 3 times and that will reward you with the quest completion. Just a note, this was all incredibly bugged. Like honestly, the boss was invisible, then you couldn't attack the boss. So much was going on. I'm sure many of you were aware of this when it was happening. Anyway, for the next quest, come along to join sewerpink, and you just have to defeat, well, Grumble basically, his pink version, and eventually you'll get the quest item you need for that one. So next up, this is sort of a double quest. So you come along to talk and accept his bottom quest here, the black metal cold brew. And once you have done that, you come along and defeat 4 parasites. Well, you don't defeat them more, and some of these little mana boxes just here. You need to collect 4 of each yet again, and once you have done that, you can head back to him, turn the quest in, and he will give you the item you need for Zognax's quest, which is the black metal cold brew, believe it or not. So then of course you can head back to Zognax, turn it in, and it will have us going along and seeing Gravelyn next for a little trip outside of his, well, prison cell effectively. So what you can do is accept that, click on Gravelyn, and the quest will also turn in for you. And now we move on to the invisible boss, which isn't invisible anymore, but it was when it first came out, which was incredibly annoying when I was trying to make this video. But you know what, we battled on for it, if you pardon the pun, and we can now finally go along and defeat the almighty dragon flying boss here. And once you've done that, he has about 80,000 health this time, so a little tricky, but not too hard at all. You can head back to Zognax and turn it in. It seems to be bugged with Gravelyn at the moment, so I don't know whether it's only Zognax you can turn it in with, but who knows. So there was 6 quests for you to do here, and they are all done. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Any questions down below. Have a lovely day.